There is one female that I spayed, young female. She's keeping her distance now. Her sister that I spayed is over there, keeping an even bigger distance now. Okay, there she's the first one. This is the mother, impossible to catch. Behind the mother, a male cat who's sniffing the mother strangely. I think he wants to mate. I don't like what I'm seeing. This is the third kitten that's wild, but stays close to me to eat. He is catchable. I think it's a boy. And the fourth kitten, a female. Kuklamu. Who's so cute, very cute, and comes to me to eat. So these two, the female and the boy, need to be neutered soon. I'm waiting for them to grow just a little bit more. This month they will be ready. The mother I will try to catch again. Oh, let's see how it goes. Kuklamu. Look at her, such a cute face she has. Look at this one. He was so skinny in the past, he's gained so much weight. And you, my girl, how are you? You're also fat, oh my god. You're so fat. Bravo. Me? Oh, you fight. Shh, it's okay. It's okay. Hello, you. Are you scared of me? Ow, come down and eat. Don't worry. Don't worry. Psh, psh, come down. It's okay, darling. I'm a friend. Come eat. My love.